In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see yourself when you talk on Zoom for Windows. If you've ever wondered why you can't easily see yourself while speaking on Zoom, or you want your video to pop into focus when you start talking, this walkthrough will set you up in just a few minutes. We're using the Zoom desktop app on Windows. First, open Zoom on your computer and head into Settings. To get there, look to the top right of the Zoom window and click your profile picture or your initials. From the menu that opens, choose Settings. This is where Zoom keeps all the controls that affect how your video looks during meetings. Next, go to the Meetings and Webinars tab. Inside that section, find the My Video area. Here, turn on the option that says See Myself as the Active Speaker. With this enabled, Zoom will automatically switch your own video into the active speaker position whenever you're talking. That means your video shows up more prominently on your screen at the moment you're speaking, which can be really helpful for monitoring your presence, framing, and expressions without distracting yourself with constant self-view. Now, make sure self-view is turned on. During a meeting, if you don't see your own video at all, hover over your small video thumbnail and click the three dots. In that menu, confirm that Show Self-View is enabled. Zoom also notes you can click the Image View button and choose Show Self-View to bring your video back on your screen. Remember, this setting only changes what you see. It doesn't affect what other participants see. Finally, choose the view layout that fits your style. Gallery View gives you a grid of many participants, including you, so you can keep an eye on everyone at once. Speaker View, on the other hand, highlights the person who's talking. With See Myself as the Active Speaker turned on, you'll appear larger in Speaker View when you speak, which is perfect if you want to focus on your delivery while still keeping tabs on your on-camera look. To recap, open Zoom and go to Settings, switch to the Meetings and Webinars tab. Enable See Myself as the Active Speaker in my video. Confirm that Show Self-View is on during your meeting, and pick Gallery View or Speaker View depending on how you prefer to monitor yourself and others. With these settings, you'll always know how you look when you're talking, without fumbling through menus mid-meeting.